everything in that sound design when that boulder is rolling down. Obviously, Spielberg's very famous for knowing how to pick good sound design, looking at Jurassic Park and stuff like that.
Right.
It's always been very famous on how he does that. But that was one big thing I took away from the intro again, was that sound is just great.
You know what's really cool about that boulder sound? This is a fun fact. If you remember in Star Wars The Force Awakens, when Harrison Ford makes his long-awaited return as Han Solo, there's that whole scene where they're running through the ship and they're being chased by those weird aliens called Rathtars. And there's a moment where one of the Rathtars starts rolling down the hall, and Harrison Ford takes off running, and they actually reused the rolling boulder sound effect for that shot in The Force Awakens.